Hello, good morning. Welcome to Architectural World. Today we're going to be learning how to modern a standard three-bedroom bungalow. This is a standard three-bedroom bungalow, a security post. We're going to learn how to create the floor plan, create the design, model it. I'm going to be using Archicad. Let me show you Archicad. I'm going to be using Archicad 218. You can see it from here. Let me zoom in very well so you see it. We're going to be using Archicad 218, and we use the Archicad 218 for the design. Then we use our Atlantis to modern it and render it. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I really don't like doing videos with subscription link. I just like posting my videos direct. So please do subscribe, like, and share. So I'm going to take the class gradually. I'm not going to rush it. Okay, you can see it very well. This the final rendering. I'm going to put it up in the desktop. Then secondly, I'm going to put a floor plan on the desktop too. So what you're going to do is that if you want to work with me as I'm doing the design, just go to the comment section, comment floor plan, and I'm going to send it to you via PDF. So let me show you very well. You can see it very well. This is a modern three-bedroom bungalow, all room and suite. Let me take you to the plan. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, you can see it very well. Let's do it this way. This is the floor plan. Okay, this is the entrance. This is the entrance. This is the anteroom, the visitor toilet. This is the main lodge. Then we have the dining here. We can also create a bar here. We have a kitchen. We have the balcony. We have the room 1 toilet, room 2 toilet. This is the lobby. Then this is the lobby that leads to the kitchen and the master bedroom. You can see the master bedroom very well. This is the master bedroom toilet. This is the wardrobe. This is the personal front pouch. This is the personal front pouch. Then this is the security post. You can see the security post very well. So this is what we're going to be learning today. Let me show you the plan because I've already completed it and delivered it. You can see it very well. It's already completed. So this is what we're going to be learning today. We're going to be learning this. We're going to learn how to create the floor plan, then also do the modeling. Don't forget we are using Archi 218. That's what we are using, Archi 218 and Atlantis 5 for our rendering. You can see the Atlantis 5. We're going to learn everything you need to know. There is it. So don't forget to subscribe, like I said. So let's start. First, you open a new working environment. You come down to your design. You can see it very well. I'm not going to be rushing the class. Come down to your design. You go to wall. You go to wall setting. There's a wall setting. You click wall setting. You allow it to load. Then you go to geometry and positioning. You go to this. You select the thickness of the block. This is the thickness of the block. So you go for 150 millimeter. That's 6 inches block. You go to 150 millimeter. You come down to modeling. You click all this. This means if you click this place, it means that all the back and the front and the edge is going to have one color. So you come down to bricks. Let's go with bricks. Flemish bond is okay for this. You click this. Let me show you what we just did now. You can see it very well. This is what we're trying to make. We're trying to make this particular section of it. So we'll come back to our floor plan. You go down to this place. Check my console very well. You come down to this place. You left click. You go to story setting. Then you see here this ground floor. You just change it to 1350. That's the height. This is the height of the DPC. You change it to 1350. You don't need to set any other thing again. You just click OK. You allow it to load. So now you can just draw the first wall because you won't be needing another wall. So you just draw the first wall. Then you draw another wall. Okay. Press your escape on your keyboard, ESC. Then here you put your hand on your control, you right click, you press it again, you right click, it means cut. So just want to change this thing again. Come in, let's go this way. Okay, yep. So we are good with this now. So the first one we're going to create right now is the room. I'm going to create the room right now. So let's go with this. You press your Control D and Control. You press Control D, then Control. It means plus. It's like you're copying the wall. So now let's give this room 3.3 meter. Then you add your block thickness. That's 150 mm plus 3.3 meter. That's like 450 mm. That's 450 mm. You can see it very well. You click this. There's a room. So automatically this is going to be the children's room. So let's go with this. You press your Control D, Control. We'll copy this again, you bring it down. This room should be 3.3 meters square. So we'll go for 450 again. You click. You can see it very well. So we have set this. Then we'll go for the toilet. You press your Control D plus. Then you go for, let's say, 1.2 meter for the toilet. Then you add your block wall 150 mm. That's like 1350 millimeter. 1350 millimeter. You press your Control, enter. You can see here we have the first toilet. You go to the second toilet. The same process. Let's say 1350. Enter. Then we get the next room. Let's do this room 3.6 meter because it could be a major room, maybe madam's room. So let's go for 3.6 meter. 3.6 plus 150, that's like 750. You can see it very well. So right now we have created this first room. Yeah. So let's create the lobby art. This is the lobby. You click this wall, you press your Control D and Control to copy. Lobby could be 1 meter, so we'll go for 150. The 150 is the block thickness. You press your Control, right click this, you take this off. You press your Control, right click, you call this off. You go here, you delete. You can see we now have the room. This one room, this 2 room, this is the lobby, this is the toilet, and this is the toilet for this room. So having this done, we'll come down here. Let's check our plan very well so we see where we are. We just got this now. 1 2 3 4 5. So now we're going to create this wall. Let's check the dimension of this wall. Okay, this 450. This wall is 450. So we'll come down here, we'll copy the same process. 450 plus 150, that's 4550. Okay, 4550. You can see it very well. So we're good with this. Then let's check the next wall to create. Which other wall do we create? Okay, let's get this kitchen wall. Let's check this kitchen wall. What do we have here? Okay, 3.6. The kitchen is 3.6. So let's create this kitchen wall. 3.6. 3.6. Okay, 3.6. 3.6 plus 150 mm, that's 750 offset. You can see very well. You come down here, you press your Control right click to delete. Okay, so we have the kitchen wall here. Let's go. Let's check for the dining wall. Okay, this is the dining wall. This 2.2 meter. Dining is 2.2 meter. You click here, you go 2.2 meter. That's a 2350. Don't forget to add the thickness to it. 2350. Let's see where we have this. Then let's get the balcony here. 1.2 meter. You add your block wall 1350. We'll go here. Take this off. This is the dining. This is the back veranda. So let's check the kitchen. the width. Let's say we have 3.3 meter, 3.3 meter. Okay, from this wall, that's a 3450, 3.3 meter. We'll do a little addition here. Let's say 33 plus 150. Yep, we got this. We take away this wall, we take this off, we delete this. Okay, now let's check the length of this main lodge. This is the length of the main lodge. Let's check this out. Okay, we can usually do this 6.5. I think 6.5 is okay for this. 6.5, I think I'm okay with 6.5. So let's say 6.5, you add 100, that's 6.5 plus our block thickness, that's gonna be 600. Okay, 600. We got this, okay, we take this off. Now let's check what we got here. Let's check the distance between these two walls. Let's check this distance. Okay, this 1.1 meter, not bad for the lobby. So we have gotten the main lodge, the two rooms, the kitchen, the dining, the back veranda, and the lobby. So let's keep walking. Let's go. Where do we need now? We need this wall. Let's check this out. This is 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter from this wall. Yep, 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Then let's do a little add up here. 3.5 meter. 3.5. That's 3,650. 3,650. Okay. 3,650. Okay. Let's go for this first. I think we're gonna confuse ourselves here. Let's get this wall. This is 4.450. 4.450. From this wall, let's get this. 4.450. That is 4, 5, 6, including block thickness. Okay, so we can take this off, take this off, take this off, take this off. Okay, so now we have this, we have this, we have this. Okay, let's go with this. So here are we. Let's check what we got here. Let's check this out. This what? Okay, let's say 1.7. This is the master toilet. This is the master toilet. Let's do 2 meter here, including the block wall. Let's do 2 meter. Okay, I think 2 meter is okay. Let's check what we have. Okay, not bad. I think we should go down a little. 150. So we have total of 2 meter here. Then let's go for 2.2 meter. This is the toilet. Let's go for 2.2 meter. I think this will go for closet, then this will go for toilet. Then let's go for this. Where are we? Let's see the leftover of the room. The length of the room is 479. 479. Okay, let's go for 4. Let's go for 4.8. 4.8. 4.8. So we add our block thickness, that's 4.5. Okay, this is the room.
Can we take a step further?
This is the room. Let's get this veranda. What do we need here? 1.2. 1.2. 1.2.
Marriage.
Okay, so we delete this, because we don't need this anymore. Okay,
Can we make
now
legal?
we need to create the next plan. So from this wall to this wall, let's look for this. What do we have here? 2.4. 2.4. That's like from this wall. Okay, 2.4. That's 2,550. Okay, almost there. 2,450. What do we have? What's the length of this? Let's get this at 1950. 1950. 1950. 1950. Then that's 2.1. That's 2.1. You delete this. Okay, we drag this up a little. Okay, now what do we have here? 3.5. 3.5. 3.5. 3,650. Okay, 3,650. 3,650. I think I'm okay with that wall. So let's take this down, because we won't be needing this anymore. Won't be needed this too. So won't be needed this. Won't be needed this. Won't be needed this. Okay. So let's bring out the visitor toilet. 1 meter is okay. It's just for visitors. 1 meter is okay. Won't be needing this anymore. Won't be needing this anymore. So we'll bring this down up to this way. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, 1,850. 1,850. Okay, let's do 2 meter here. 2,150. Okay, so bring this here. Bring this here.
Your Majesty, you want to propose to me. And you turned down the proposal and preferred my son.
Let's go with this. Come down here. Okay, so check it out. We just got this is the veranda, this is the ante room, this is the visitor toilet, this is the main lodge, lobby, master bedroom, front pouch, toilet, wardrobe, kitchen. Then we have the dining, the back veranda, 1 room, 2 rooms, or room and suite. So let's check it on 3D. You just go to this way to go for your 3D, or you press F3. So let's go for 3D. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is what we have. You can see it very well. It's coming up. Okay, you can see it very well. This is what we have. Okay, so let's come over here.
I feel betrayed by the prince. He proposed to me, yet he had another woman by the corner.
Okay, What are we looking for right now? Let's go
I
for
was
this
surprised by
security
his
house.
advice. I could not have said no to him because I know I love him.
Let's go for the security house.
Have you been drinking?
Let's see what they have here.
Martins, I love the prince. And I wouldn't let that woman, or
Okay,
whatever she
go for
calls
3
her
meter.
name, take him away
3
from me.
meter is okay, yeah.
First and foremost, that's
3
one
meter
avenue.
square.
Elizabeth
That's
Alba, a handwriting partner with
3150.
Climax Manley Park. Secondly, I owe you nothing.
Okay,
The
let's
deal and
bring
transaction
this
we
here.
had with your company, I will pay in full.
Okay,
I owe you nothing. Don't ever
this
find
can
me
be
out
here.
of relation like this next time. Excuse me.
3150. This could be here. We have this here. We have this. We have this. Okay, we have this. Take this down. Okay, you can see it. There's a security post, and there's a 3 bedroom. This plan can fit in into a half plot of land. Let me show you very well. You can see this is what we are working. We just created this now, and we've already created this. We've created this. We already created this. So we'll save this because this is the floor plan. We're gonna save it. You come down to Control X, or you just click the icon. I'll be using more of the icons. So you look for where you want to save it to. Let's save it to desktop. Let's save this to desktop. Okay.
I have nothing to forgive. You have a right to accept.
Okay. We save to desktop. You just title it. Let's say 3 bedroom plan. You just title 3 bedroom. You click the save icon here. Allow it to load. So we now have this on this desktop. Let's look for it. Here is it. Okay, this is it. 3 bedroom. You see it here. So let's go back to our work. So today we're going to be ending on the ground floor plan, I think so. So what we're going to do right now, let's put a slab on this, then we'll close for the day for part 1. So we're going to put a slab on this. Let's check how the slab is here. You can see the slab. This is slab. This same slab is like the ties. So the up is going to be the ties, then the edge has the white. So whatever we have in the under is left for you. So let's go for this. You come down to design, you go to slab, you go to the icon to edit. This icon, you click this icon to edit, then you click here, you click here, you click here. You don't need to use this place, because if you click here, it means all of them is going to have the same color. But right now we're going to have different ways to select colors. So you come down to this place, you click here, this is the thickness of the slab. You select the thickness of the slab. Let's go for 150 mm. That's 6 inches. Then we'll come down to the surface. That's what you want people to see. This should be ties. We'll go for ties here. This should be ties. Okay, let's go. I think I'm okay with these ties. You can choose any one you want. And this edge is going to be white. This edge is white, so we're going to choose stucco white fine. I always like using this one, or you use rough. Any color you choose here, you can always edit in Atlantis. So we're going to choose white fine. Then bottom, that should be okay because we don't need it. You click OK. You come down here. You don't need to use the square, because if you use the square, automatically you're going to be drawing everything on the square. But since we have curves, you need this. You need this geometry method of polygon. So you're going to click all the edges like this. You click this. You come down to this place. You come down here. Then this. Then this. Then this. Okay. Then you click this. You can see very well. We'll come down to this same place. Here you can use the square because there's no design here. So you come down to this place. Okay. So now we have a slab here. Let's check it on our 3D. We have a slab here. You can see it very well. We have a slab here. This is a slab. So but it's not sitting at the right spot. You can see it's sitting under, not up. So bring it up. Let's go down this way. You click this back, you click this, you put your hand on your shift key, then you right click, you drag this. If you don't want to go to the setting, you drag this, you just go down to this place, you put the height 1350, the height of the DPC. You can see it very well. This is the height of the DPC. You can see it very well now. This is it. Okay, so let's go back to the ground floor. Now look, there is a push out. This slab has a push out, so we're going to send out the push outs. So we'll come here, you click at this edge, you click on offset all edges, you type in 100, that's 4 inches. Then you come here, you do the same thing, offset of 4 edge. Okay, yeah, so you save. Always remember to save. Then let's check out 3D. Okay, you can see it very well now. So we have it exactly where we want it. Let me zoom it up. Exactly where we want it. That's where we got it now. You see it? So this is the end of the part 1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If there is anything you don't understand on the ground floor section, just comment it and I'm going to explain it again all over for you. So you can see we are through with the ground floor. So we're going to be continuing from the upper floor.